Welcome to today's maths class, everyone. Today we are going to do chapter 4, lesson 4.4, use 10 to subtract. Today's date is 9/11/2020 and the day is Monday, and the pages for today's classwork will be 229 and 230. So we are just going to solve the two pages today. Now, let's see. Use 10 to subtract. What is use 10 to subtract? Now, we have a number here that is 14 minus 7. This is a subtraction sentence. 14 minus 7. Now, you all know the name of this box. This is called the 10 frame. Again, what is the name of this box? It is called the 10 frame because you can draw the 10 counters inside the 10 frame. So it is called the 10 frame. So we are going to use the 10 frame to solve this subtraction sentence. We have 14 minus 7. So first we are going to look at this addend, that is here we have 7. So first we are going to draw the 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see, we have drawn the 7 counters. And then how many more we have to add to make it 10 inside the 10 frame? How many did you add? We have 1, 2, and 3. So that makes our 10 frame complete. So this is 10 inside the frame. Now, how many more we have to add to 10 to make it 14? Look at the number here. We have 14. So how many you add to make it 14? We add 4 more. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 10 inside the frame, and then you add 4 more. That gives you 14. Now you have to count all together how many you have added more to 7. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many more did you add? Yes, we added 7 more to make it 14. So our answer will be 7. So 14 minus 7 equal 7. So that is, start by showing this subtraction. Here which is the subtraction. Here is 14 minus 7. Then count all the white counters to show you the answer to 14 minus 7. So you are going to count all the counters that you have drawn to complete 14. Then next count up to make to 10. Then you make a 10 inside the 10 frame. Then finally count up to how many more to make 14. In this problem it has 4. Let's see one more example. We have 12 minus 7. So again 12 minus 7. So I'm going to take the number 7. And look at the counters here. I have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So already I have 7 here. So how many more I have to add to make it 12? Now I'm going to take the blue color so that it will be clear. So how many more I'm going to add? 1, 2, 3. That makes my 10 frame complete. Now, so how many more I have? Here I have 7 already. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As you can see here, the number we have 12. So I made it till 12. Now, how many blue color more I have added to the 10 frame? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many more did I add? Added 5. more. So that will be my answer. So 12 minus 7 equal 5. Count it up till 10. So first you count inside the 10 frame, you count up till 10 and then you add two more. You know, when you add 10 and then two more, that becomes 12. So this is how you do by using the 10 frame. Yes, very good. Lamar, Iliana, Celia, Eileen, very good. Nurleen, excellent. Yes, your answers are correct. So there are many ways to do addition and there are many ways to do the subtraction. And this is one more way how you do the subtraction sentence, solve the subtraction sentence. Now let's see a video how to solve subtract making 10, 14 minus 8. So let's see.
Okay, this is the first way they're doing it in the homework to do the subtraction. So this is a lesson 4.4. And we're going to take 14, take away 8. And this one is a lot like what we're used to. We learned to start at 8 and count up to 14. And so that's what it's going to look like on here. We're going to start by putting 8 dots in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we were young, we would do this on our fingers. We would start at 8 and we would count up to 14. Now what we're going to do is, once we have our 8 dots, is we're going to go to the 14. We're first going to add 2 more dots to the tens frame. That gets us to the 10. And then we're going to add 4 more dots underneath the tens frame to get us up to 14. So now we have a total of 10 in the tens frame and 4 is 14. So all the kids have to do now is just count the number of dots they added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the answer is 6. Let me show you again with 12 minus 5. So we start with the number we're taking away and put that in the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the homework, they've already put those dots in the tens frame. So now we're going to count from 5 up to 12. We'll start by filling in the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 10. And we need 2 more dots. 11, 12. And then we count up how many dots we've added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 minus 5 is 7. And that's how you do the 4.4 homework.
So now you all have seen how you have to use the 10 to subtract. First you fill in the 10 frame and then you add some more dots to complete the subtraction sentence. So let's solve it. Now let's move on to our textbook question. Open page 229, everyone. 229. Open the page. And don't forget to write the date. So let's write the date. CW 9 11 2020. Write the date. Now we have the question. Use the circles or the counters to show the problem. Draw to show your work. So I'm going to read the question here. I have Austin puts 9 red counters. So Austin puts 9 red color counters. So that he puts 9. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9 color counters which are red in color. Now, Austin puts 9 red counters in the first 10 frame. Then he puts 1 yellow counter in the 10 frame. So still the 10 frame, it's not full. So he puts the yellow color counter. So he puts 1 yellow color counter here. So he puts 1 yellow color counter. Now the 10 frame, it's filled. Now, how many more yellow counters does Austin need to make 15? He has to make it 15. So how many more he needs? As you can see, this is 10. So we are going to add 5 more to make it 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now let's see what will be our subtraction sentence. That will be 15 minus 9. As 9 is the first counters that we have added in the 10 frame. That is 9. And then we made it up to 15. So 15 minus 9 equal. Now let's find out how many more did we add to 9 to make it 15. Now only count the yellow counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many more did you add? We added 6 more counters. So 15 minus 9 equal 6. So this will be our answer. Yes, very good. Miral, excellent. Nulin, Juri, Iliana, and Celia. Yes, excellent girls. Very good, Warif. Livia, Leila, Asil. Yes, amazing girls. Yes, your answers are correct. Now, let's move on to the next page. Page 230. 230. 230. Now, here we have, you can make a 10 to help you subtract. So, first we are going to make a 10 in the 10 frame and then we are going to subtract. So, our first question is 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. So, we are going to start at 9. So, they have drawn here 9 counters inside the 10 frame. So, that is red in color. Count up 1 to make 10. So they add one more to make the 10 frame complete. So now the 10 frame is complete. Then count up 3 because it is 13. So you add 3 more in yellow color. Now, so how many more did you add? So that gives you answer. You counted up to 4. So 13 minus 9. Count the yellow counters here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you added 4 more. So 13 minus 9 equal 4. Now one more we have 17 minus 8. So we are going to take 8 and we are going to draw the 8 counter inside the 10 frame. And then we add 2 more to make it 10. 1, 2. So 8, 9, 10. Then this number is 17. So we are going to add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That gives us 17. Now let's count all the yellow color counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. We counted up to 9. So 17 minus 8 gives us 9. Very good. Jannat, Miral, Jury, Asil, excellence. Very good. Ilyana and Celia, excellent. Warif, very good. Nurleen, very good. Excellent, Layla. Yes, amazing girls. You all are very good. You all participate and you all are excellent with the correct answer. Now, use the counters and 10 frame. Make a 10 to subtract. Draw to show your work. So we are going to draw inside the 10 frame and then solve the problem. So question number 1, we have 12 minus 8. So 12 minus 8. Yes, very good. I got the answer from Livia and Eileen. Yes, excellent. Let's solve it. So first we are going to take 8 as they have already drawn the 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8th counter. And now I'm going to take the yellow color to make it up to 12. First I'm going to fill the 10 frame. So 2 more makes the 10. So now the 10 frame is full. Now, how many more I have to add? That is 12. Look at the number here. 2, 12. So 2 more. 1, 2. Now let's count all the yellow color counters. How many more did we add? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be our answer. 12 minus 8 equal 4. Then we have question number 2. 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9. Yes, very good. I got the answer for question number 2 from Jannat and Livia. Yes, excellent. Eileen, Warif, very good. Ilyana and Celia. Very good, girls. You all can solve it now. Yes, so 11 minus 9. We are going to take 9 and they have already drawn the 9 counters. Now let's make it up to 11. So that makes 10 and 11. So how many more did you make it? Yes, you added 2 more. So 11 minus 9 equal 2. So write your answer 2.